Hey, good morning. Ed Mayer coming at you. I'm right in front of you here, as you can see right there. Listen, today I want to talk to those that are out here maybe wishing, hoping for prayers to be answered, right? How can I get out of this struggling mentality? So many people today in 2021, it's July 2021 at the time you're seeing this video, are struggling. People are struggling, okay? Now, I know for myself, back in 2007, I made the decision to come out online and find a way to be able to supplement my income, to be able to make a little bit of extra money so that we could go on a vacation or we could just put money in the savings for a rainy day, right? So in 2007, I found that and I got to work. I got busy. 2008, I left an 18-year valet parking career. And listen, I don't say that to brag or anything of the sort. That's not what I'm here to do. I'm just saying, I valet parked cars for 18 years. I didn't know nothing about building a business. I've learned so much over the past 14 years. But what I want to talk to you today about is so many people would love to get into a home-based business, but they have no idea what to do. And there's so many new people coming into this industry because of what's going on in the world. People want to own their life. People want to bust your butt for you, right? Not going into a 9-to-5 and making all kinds of money for your boss. Yeah? You get where I'm coming from? But here's the thing. People think it's difficult. And look, I'm not saying you come out here, you click buttons, you make money. That's not what I'm saying. This is a business, okay? So get that in your head right away. This isn't just come out here and sign up for something and get rich. That's baloney. There's bad marketers out there doing that shit, but that's not how I roll, okay? Make sure you come and check me out on Facebook. I'm so transparent, it's crazy. But I've learned how to do this over all these years. I've been with a few companies. I was a #1 income earner, #1 recruiter. I even became a master associate in a company. And again, I don't say this for any other reason than to let you know that if you have goals, if you have dreams, if you have aspirations, if you want more for you and your family, there's a way to do it. And this is what I'm telling you now. So I'm now with a company that gives you all the tools that you need. You don't have to go anywhere. You can come in here and you can get laser focused. You can put the blinders on and you can get laser focused on what you're doing. Now listen, this company referred to as the House of Brands. We have amazing top quality products in different brands. Okay? So you're going to have products for everybody. Something for somebody. The opportunity, I'm not going to get into it now. There's going to be a link around this video that you can go and you can take a free tour. It'll show you everything. But there's something really exciting before I end this video that I want you to grab a hold of. And there's 3 downloadable, walk you through, tell you how to do PDFs. Ladies and gentlemen, everything that you need is right here on the left-hand side of this back office, which will be the same back office that you receive. So what exactly is it? Here's the deal. Launchpad. Once you get started, you come into your back office, you download Launchpad, and you do exactly what it says, step by step. And then you can move on to the roadmap to rank. You want to be ranking up so that you can increase your income. And then 5 to go and 5 to grow. This will get you ranking up fast. As long as you come in with the mindset that I'm going to have everything that I need once I get in here, all I got to do is get to work. See, that's what I did in 2007. I found something and I got to work. Right now is your time. The excuse that I don't know what I'm doing is out the door. Ladies and gentlemen, you can click that link around this video, take the free tour, click the button under the videos to get started right away. You can literally activate your position without any money out of your pocket. And I encourage you right now to do that. Get access to the back office. See everything that you have at your fingertips. All the tools, all the websites, all the training from 7-figure earners right here in your back office. So you can get your mind right so that you can win and you can succeed. Now listen, there's a lot of people out here that sponsor people and then never get a hold of them. Okay? Now, what this company has done is put these pieces together in case you come across somebody like that, you still have what you need. Me, Ed Mayer, I'm here for you. I will work as hard to help you succeed as you will work on yourself. So click that link around here, get yourself activated, get yourself in the back office. We will then be in contact because I'll be notified. I will contact you, we'll get on a freaking video call, and we'll get you rocking and rolling. Okay? This is Ed Mayer. I love you. I appreciate you. The excuses are out the window. If you're sincere and you're serious about making a change in your life for you and your family, click that link now, get started, take the tour, and I can't wait to meet you.